Are you ready for something spicy, tangy, and absolutely delicious? Today, we're making a super refreshing street-style Pani Wali Chana Chat, packed with flavors and ready in just 10 minutes. This one's going to be a game changer. Just sip and bite, but don't decide which one's better. Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents Pani Wali Chatpati. First, let's make the star of this dish, our Chhatpata Chaat Pani. Take some tamarind in a bowl. Pour warm water over it. Let it soak for about 30 minutes. This will soften it up and bring out all its rich, tangy flavor. Meanwhile, let's prepare our green chutney. In a blender, add a handful of coriander leaves, some fresh mint leaves. Add 2 green chilies, 1/4 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Add a pinch of salt. Squeeze some lemon. Add a little water and blend everything into a smooth chutney. And just like that, our fresh and flavorful green chutney is ready. Remove it. Keep it aside, we'll use it in a minute. Now back to our tamarind, it should be nice and soft by now. Mash it well using a spoon or your hands. Then strain it through a sieve to remove any seeds and fibers. Mash it well using a spoon or your hands. And there you have it. Our tangy tamarind water is ready to go. Let's make the chaat pani. Now let's bring everything together to make our Chhatpati Chaat Pani. Pour the tamarind water into a jug. Add the green chutney we just made. Squeeze in half a lemon. Season with few spices, salt to taste, 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon ginger powder, 1/4 teaspoon rock salt, 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala. Give it a good mix. Then add some chopped coriander, fresh mint leaves, and a handful of ice cubes to make it extra refreshing. Mix well. And that's it, our spicy tangy chaat pani is done. It's perfect for shots, pani puri, or even as a refreshing summer drink. For Pani Puri, you could add bundi in it. Make sure water is cold before serving. Preparing the Chana Chatpati. Take 1 cup of Bengal gram chana, soak it overnight, then boil it with a little salt. To check if it's ready, press a chana between your fingers. It should mash easily. Now transfer the cooked chana into a mixing bowl. Add 1 large chopped onion, 1 large boiled potato, diced, 2 chopped tomatoes, 1 chopped cucumber, 2 tablespoons raw mango, 2 to 3 chopped green chilies, 2 to 3 tablespoons pomegranate seeds. For seasoning, add salt to taste, ½ teaspoon coriander cumin powder, ½ teaspoon red chili powder, ¼ teaspoon chaat masala, ¼ teaspoon black pepper powder, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, a handful of chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything well, and there you have it. Our spicy, tangy, and delicious Chana Chapati is ready. Perfect base for our pani. Assembling the Pani Wali Chana Chat. Now comes the most exciting part, assembling our Pani Wali Chana Chat. Take a serving glass and add generous amount of Chana Chat. Pour the chilled Chat Pani over it. Repeat the same for another glass. Pour the chilled Chat Pani over it. This recipe is so refreshing, flavorful, and unique. You have to try it. Let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Garnish glass as per your choice. Garnish with lemon. And there you have it. Our dhaba-style Pani Wali Chana Chat is ready to dig into. Do give it a try and enjoy. See you in the next one. Happy cooking! Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.